This is my 1974 Montgomery Ward Escort 66, but it's really an Olivetti. Went into an antique store that I frequent back in September, and I saw the case standing up closed under a desk, and curiosity got me, and I just kind of took a look, and for some reason I kind of liked it. And it was very complete. It has all sorts of paperwork with it. You've got, make sure attention just to make sure you remember to fold the carriage return lever, all sorts of actual instructions on how to use the machine, all sorts of things, and even putting it in the case. All sorts of little things came with it. Even the warranty card. I don't think I'll be using that. I saw it, and it was just kind of... this is not something I would normally ever think of buying, but it just caught my eye, and what even caught my eye further was that it's a script machine. It writes in cursive, so I don't have a machine like that, and I had never seen one in person, so I said, why not? And it works very well. I'm not a huge fan of machines from the 60s into the 70s, but unfortunately that's because Smith Coronas, to me, everyone likes those machines, but they don't grow on me. But this machine has definitely grown on me. It's a nice machine. I liked it enough that I said, well, I'm going to find one that's not script, because I like writing in either Pica or Elite, more so Pica. And I found an Underwood 450, and I'll do a video of that. That's the same basic machine, but they're both machines, as I've through research have found out, you'll never find Olivetti written anywhere on them. They're just either Montgomery Ward or Underwood 450. Cool machine. You got the paper bail here. It comes forward or folds back. Your margins here. Pop-up paper support. Paper guide here. Carriage release on either side. You're folding return lever, fine line adjustment, as well as a coarse line adjustment. This is on your line selector switch. You have 1 through 3, and then back all the way is 0, and release of the roller, the index. Ribbon selector switch here. Tab set and tab clear there. I believe it was Typewriter Minutes who said that they had a cursive machine, but the font was so tall or so big on it that it didn't have a proper 3-position selector switch for the ribbon. But this one does not have that problem. I had, there was a red and black ribbon in this machine when I got it, and it typed perfectly fine in both, so maybe this is just a smaller font. The scale does go up to 100, but it's not, I don't believe it's an Elite size font. Other than that, on the top here, on the ribbon cover, it tells you all about the machine. Escort 66, full size, full use portable, top quality for heavier workloads. Full size keyboard, segment shift, full tabulator, adjustable touch control, luggage style carrying case, variable roller, Pica, Elite, or script type, 1-year guarantee. As I said, cool machine, works very well. Tabulator here, all the Olivettis have these red tabulator keys, but this one actually says tab on it, and other ones don't normally. It has your margin release here. This one actually has a 1 key. I found out on my Underwood 450 that does not have a 1 key, and I found out why. Is because this is cursive. You can't use the L key for the lowercase l for 1. You have to have a separate 1 key. But that's a little different. Although most machines, I believe at this point, would have had a separate 1 key, so that's interesting to note. Under the cover, I believe these are original style spools for this. You still got the thumb screws that hold them in place. This is your touch control here, this little tab. It only has 3 positions. I leave it in the middle. A very simple design, but I think it's a pretty good design. It works nicely, and I enjoy typing on it. I almost enjoy typing on this a little bit more than the Underwood 450, which is kind of weird. Although it could be because maybe this machine didn't get a lot of use. I mean, I assume that's maybe what it is, but this is your paper release over here. But it works well, and it prints pretty good, too. There you go. Very interesting. It is cool to have a machine that has a script typeface. You don't see that often, or at least I don't. But a nice machine overall. This is a nice machine to use. Just a nice machine, plain and simple. That's the 1974 Montgomery Ward Escort 66.